Which brings me to my next statement to tell you. My little secret.
Okay.
Here we go. Bomb drop.
I bought a mobile home park in Ohio.
Oh shit!
Damn. A park?
A mobile park.
Not one, but a park?
Yeah, whole park, 21 for
21 trailers.
21 trailers.
Okay.
285,000, 15 cap.
What the fuck?
Damn.
25K?
$285,000.
What the fuck?
Yeah, War Room guy called me. He's like, "Hey man, I need you to review this deal." I'm like, "Bro, I love this deal." He's like, "Man, if you want to partner, I'm down." Wired them 285,000, all cash. I'm gonna refinance out. Boom, done. Just
so y'all know, right? So this makes a little bit more sense for you guys. You got residential, you got commercial, then you got certain niches, storage units, etc.
Yeah.
Mobile homes,
it's a parking
parks,
lot.
are a whole other thing. But from what I've been told, right? Because I don't know too much about it, you could educate me and the people. But can you tell me as far as like what's the difference between that and like regular real estate investing? I guess.
Yeah, regular real estate investing is going to be a bit more. I guess you're going to have a lower cap rate.
Yeah.
The really beautiful thing in my
less risk but lower cap rate.
Yeah. But my thing about the mobile home park is the depreciation. You go to 39. You go to a parking lot depreciation instead of a building. So that's really, really positive. So you get to depreciate not only the mobile home, but you get to depreciate in a separate situation the parking lot itself.
Nice.
And that's where the big tax breaks are. And so currently there's 17 trailers in there. 15 of them are full. And there's 4 more lots. I'm going to take the 2 trailers, upgrade them, buy 4 more trailers, and then owner finance the other ones.
Oh,